What? Do you? Well, I didn't bring it. I only brought you a sweater. I'm dead serious. What's up, Uncle Clint? Let's see your pack. Show your pack. It's going on YouTube. Oh my God.
60-pounder. We're doing one night with Carter. We're gonna have fun.
That's nice.
There's Rennie.
Well, you
How's your backpack?
Good dog.
How's your bag?
Love it. My bag is working. This one's for Carter there.
Oh boy.
Carter's not gonna get cold. I got 3 sleepers.
Lenny!
Minimalist? Maximist. Oh dang. Rennie's tearing that stick up. Into the Haystacks with Uncle Clint and his big bag and little Carter there. Say hi, Carter.
I caught a whole string of here before. No, you're only allowed to keep 8 for 3.
Did you ever eat dog food?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I ate dog treat. A little biscuit. Never dog food though.
Well, that's just
There you go. Drink,
Good
drink.
job,
Go
man.
get a drink. You want a drink? Go get a drink. Okay? Go.
This is a nice watch you can sit on.
I actually did sit on that before.
I would sit down and take breaks if I had
Yeah, that would be a pain in the butt to take off and put back on. How was your night? Was it cold?
My fishing rod broke.
Did it?
Yeah, and your chair broke my back.
Did we learn anything this trip?
No,
Don't burn your bottle for water, all right?
I didn't. You did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Be
No.
quiet. No, be quiet. Just stop.
How do I have my bottle right here, but yours isn't with you? Where's yours?
In my backpack.
Oh, really? Let's see it. Let's find it.
At the bottom.
Oh, is it? Let's just empty your backpack out and find it.